Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and in this video, I'm going to be going over the PIC style key extractors. HPC's part number is ES-2000. Now, in a previous video, I went over the spiral key extractor and its uses, as well as the sawtooth key extractor and its uses. But there's some situations that you need these PIC style key extractors. Now, in a situation like this, when you find yourself with a wafer in front of the key, which happens usually for two reasons. One, a key broke off and the person stuck the key back in there and tried to turn the lock, and in the meantime pushed that key further in. Or you're trying to do a key extraction with a spiral key extractor or sawtooth key extractor, and you accidentally push the key further in. Let me show you by how using these PIC style key extractors, how to get this key out here. Now, since this is a small lock, this little cabinet lock here, I'm going to opt for the smallest profile of PIC style key extractors like this one right here. So we'll go ahead and get this one out here. And as what we're going to do is I'm going to flip this key extractor upside down just like this, and I'm going to go in very gently. I'm going to push up this wafer and I'm going to hook on to the very top of the key there, and keeping it up at an angle like this, I'm going to gently just try to pull it forward just a little bit, because I'm not really worried about getting the key out at the moment. I just want to get it further out than that wafer that's down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this key extractor in like this. I'm going to push it up. Once I get in there like that, get in like this, to move my hands here, and I'm just going to pull just a little bit. As you can see, it just started to come out there. As you can see now, that wafer is moved up. All right. Now at this point, you could use a sawtooth key extractor or a spiral key extractor, but due to the fact that this key has already been pushed in too far once, I don't want to risk it again. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this little tip here and I'm going to put it right in here, just at the very tip, and these are really sharp, and I'm just going to pull. Oh, I missed it. Let me get it in there one more time. When I get it in there, I'm just going to pull. As you can see, there it goes. And we can pull it out just like that. So that's where these PIC style key extractors come into place, made by HPC. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.